What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I've got my F-150 here, and today we're going to be talking about my new Trail Effects LED lights. If you guys watched the last video where we broke down everything that I've done to the truck so far since I bought it back, you'll know that Trail Effects sent me a set of lights for my ICI bumper. It's their 3x3 cubes and their 20-inch light bar, all in their new black series. So one thing to mention before we really get into the video, talking about the facts and the review of the lights, is I don't typically do a review on a product unless it's something that I think is worth showing you guys. That being said, I had the opportunity to try out these Trail Effects lights last week while I was in Colorado in a totally pitch black mountain valley at 1 in the morning, and I will say these were an absolute lifesaver. So it is a product that I truly did enjoy. This is my honest review on them. So first we're going to talk about that 20-inch light bar that they sent me. This light bar is going to be 8,820 lumens. It's 105 watts, so it gives you plenty of light output. And on top of that, it is a dual beam. So what I mean by that is this has both the capabilities of being a spot LED and a flood LED. So the spot's going to give you the light distance with an 8-degree beam, and then the flood's going to give you the spread of light with a 90-degree beam. The nice thing with this light too is it also offers you the ability to mount either from the sides or from the bottom side of the light. For me, I ended up going with the bottom side of the light because it just fit better that way in my bumper. But for other people and for a lot of customers of ours, we end up using the side mounts. So it's nice that we have the option to do either or on that. For me personally, the 20-inch light bar wasn't going to be enough, and I had the spots to do it, so I decided to add 2 more LED lights from Trail Effects. It's their 3-inch cubes and also their blackout series. In my bumper, I ended up setting these off to the side of the light bar, and they kind of point out at an angled direction, so being a flood pattern, that really helped out. They're also 2400 lumens, so they're not the brightest light on the market, but they're a nice accent to this light bar. So these Trail Effects lights, being that they are the new design, they're not your standard like cube light with the 4 little holes. They're just a really sleek looking design, and their light bar matches perfectly with it. So I'm a huge fan of the new aesthetic of these Trail Effects lights. And finally, what kind of review video would this be if I didn't show you guys the light output at night? So we're gonna go ahead as soon as it gets dark out and show you guys what the light output looks like out in the middle of nowhere. All right, and as you guys can see, now it is nighttime, so we're gonna go ahead and show you what these lights look like with no lights, because we're out in the middle of nowhere, with my headlights, and then with the Trail Effects LED lights. All right, so here it is with just my DRLs. As you can see, pitch black around. That is my headlights. Those are those Alpha X headlights on there. And now for the Trail Effects LED light bar. Totally different light output. I mean, that makes a massive difference. Spreads the light out to the sides and gives me all the distance that I could possibly need. As you guys can see, those Trail Effects lights make a huge difference on my truck, and I'm super excited to have them on there. Big shout out to Trail Effects for sending me those lights. You guys hook it up every single time, and I'm super excited to be working with companies like that. If you guys are interested in a set for your truck, give us a call at Ultimate Truck Off-Road. We'll get you hooked up. They've got everything from the 3x3 pods all the way up to the 50-inch light bars from Trail Effects. Great lights. I can't say enough good things about them. That's going to be all I have for you guys today. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, help us out, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya.